To add contact on WeChat app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In today's video, I'll show you guys how can you add contact on WeChat app. If you want to add contact on WeChat app, you'll have to follow this simple method. First thing first, you want to log into your WeChat account. When you're logged into your account, at the bottom of the page, you could find this add contact section. You just have to go ahead and press on it. So there are different ways of adding people on your WeChat account. So you could actually go ahead and quick friend a nearby also, as well as joining a private group or scanning a QR code. Or you could also use a mobile contact that's stored in your device and other ways. So I'm going to show you one of the easiest way to actually go ahead and add contact. So that is by adding them through a mobile contact. That means you need to save the contact on your device. And after you've actually done it, so you need to go ahead and upload your mobile contact and find your friend on WeChat. After which, what you want to do is click on upload contact. Once you've done it, so you want to go ahead and click on mobile contact, or you want to go ahead and change the mobile number. After which, you want to go ahead and type in their name, and when it appears, you just have to go ahead and click on add button. This way you'll have successfully added the person. And similarly, if you want to use the other easy way, that means you could go ahead and scan the QR code. So you could use the friend's QR or profile's QR in order to add them on the WeChat. So that's the simplest way you could do it. So you just have to press the plus icon from the top right hand side corner. After which, you want to go to this scan option, and then you could go ahead and scan the QR code. So that's the way you could add people or contact on your WeChat account. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.